Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous lesson we have created pivot table in two different ways, and here today we are going to work on this a little bit. Whenever I click on pivot table windows here, pivot table tools, and here we have design, and we can change the color. Yes, we can change the color, and from here in analysis we have these three selected. The first one is this one, the field. When I click here it disappears, and click again, and field headers, these are the field headers, this, and when I click here it also appears. And the next thing about the design, here we can add subtotal, grand total here ourselves, and here you can see we have the grand total here. And when I click here and I come here to grand total of the grand total, you can see now I don't have the grand total. We can select the position of the grand total, and here you can see it's just a number. How can I change it to currency and whatever? How can I change the format? I don't need to select all of this. I just click on one cell and right click. We can change the format. We can choose currency. We can choose, I choose currency, and okay, you can see it works magically. So I can make it percentage. I can change just one column, or depends on grand total. So I just right click here, I come to summarize, show values as percentage of row total. You can see every row, and I can change it to show value as column total. Here we have 100%, and we can change it as grand total. It's grand total, just this one is 100%, and yeah, it works magically. And here we have for some of suitors for customer type, and I just come here, change it to, first of all I should change it to currency. Select currency. I want to have two decimal here, and okay, I want to change it to average. Average, yes, it works pretty good. And this one I just want to count this. I just come here and summarize value by count, you can see, and I can change it to percentage, show value as granted. Yeah, you can see it's very handy, it's very straightforward. With pivot table we can save a lot of time and energy. So that's it. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.